Hi there, I'm Anna from Encom Energy, and this is our third solar project with the Hannons Group. We're just outside Dublin in Lusk at their new state-of-the-art facility. Our commercial team have just completed a 151 kilowatt PV array coupled with 4 22 kilowatt EV chargers. This system is going to produce 20% of the site's electricity needs with a 4 to 5 year payback. This system is also part of the SEIA non-domestic microgen grant, with our team helping the Hannon Transport group along the application process. Having previously installed at Hannon's headquarters in Aghalee and their brand new facility, Hannon Steel at Nuts Corner, it's great to continue working with the group on their renewable energy journey. If you're a business and you're looking to start your renewable energy journey, we would love to chat. Give us a call today to see how we can transform your business.